Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Bips Universe with another exciting video. Today I am present in front of you. Those who are already my subscribers, welcome back, and those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will truly appreciate it. So today our journey will be to the Bhitarkanika mangroves. Bhitarkanika is a wetland in Orissa district spreading up to 650 kilometers. It's also a Ramsar site and a World Heritage which was declared in 19th August 2002. The entire mangrove forest is in the river deltas of Brahmani and Boitaroni. The Bhitarkanika mangroves is specially famous for the saltwater crocodile which are endangered and obviously the nesting ground of olive ridley turtles. Bhitarkanika is also one of the glamping sites of the Eco-Treat Odisha Government 2020. So if you want to know more about Bhitarkanika mangroves, stay tuned to the last of the video and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share your valuable comments. It was 13 January 2022. We were to board the Howrah Chennai Mass Mail at 11:55 p.m. from Howrah station. We have to go towards the new complex. All our teammates were waiting there. Some of us came and we were waiting for our other teammates and discussing among ourselves the plans to do in the trip. All were super excited. Finally, the Chennai mail came. The train was given at 11:15 p.m., but the scheduled departure was at 11:55, and it was 3 a.m. already. We were to reach our destination station at 4 a.m., so we all were waiting.
Hello.
At 8 past 4 a.m. in the morning, we reached Bhadrak. Due to COVID lockdown, in Odisha the transportation was about to start from 5 am in the morning, so we had no option but to wait in the station for 1 hour. During this time, we tried the tea in the station area that was really good. You should definitely try it. And from here via platform number 1 you have to exit outside towards the auto stand. These auto will take you to the Bhitarkanika National Park. So we were 15 people altogether. We booked 2 cars and started from Bhadrak at 5:35 am. So few things you should necessarily carry with you during this trip is umbrella, and also you should keep enough cash with you because the nearest ATM to the resort where you are going to stay is 30 kilometers away. So you will face hardship if you don't have yourself with enough cash. And also do carry some necessary medicines and snacks, although the resort will provide you, but still the nearest city is 9 kilometers away from the mangrove, so you will face hardship. And necessarily keep mosquito repellents with you, because in rainy seasons you will face a hard time facing mosquitoes in Odisha. And please wear boots, do not wear sandals or slippers. Due to the rain, the roads remain very slippery. And last but not the least, carry a hair dryer, because you will be wet most of the time, and if you don't have a hair dryer, your hairs will remain wet and you will catch cold very soon. From Bhadrak station, the car will take 3 hours to reach this steamer ghat, and from the steamer ghat, you have to take a steamer which will take you hardly 20 minutes to reach the resort. The resort from the steamer ghat is approximately 2 kilometers, and this is the Brahmani river. So we have reached here near Brahmani river. This is the bank of Brahmani river, and we have to go via this 2 kilometers to Bhitarkanika. It will take around 20 to 22 minutes.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Bhitarkanika resort right now, and it's near about 8:30 a.m. It's raining heavily today, and we were about to go to Pentha beach today morning, but the weather got so bad we don't know what to do right now. Let's see what happens. So still the rain stops, let me give you a short intro of the Estuarine Village Resort of Bhitarkanika where we stayed. So Estuarine Village Resort is just beside the Brahmani river, so you can spend a lover's time beside the river during the evening times. The river is just next to it. But beware of the banks because there are lots of crocodiles there. This is the resort, and there are 11 houses in total in the village resort, and these houses all are concrete, so you will have a comfortable stay during the winters. All these houses are equipped with hot and cold water facilities in the bathrooms, and every amenities available here are provided to you in a very short and prompt way. The houses in the resorts are different in color, and that makes the scenic beauty even more beautiful. Just look at the natural beauty of the village as I was so in love with it. And I was provided with this red house. In the right side you can see, I will give a brief description of it later on. The houses are large and the bathrooms are very neat and clean. But remember one thing, to avail this house you have to carry with you one government ID in original and 3 photocopies of it, and also mandatorily your COVID vaccination certificate. The cottages here in the double room, it's charged for rupees 4,500 including all meals. The meals include breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. कितने रूम है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ 11 रूम है।
अच्छा।
यहाँ अकोमोडेशन 50 लोग के लिए अकोमोडेशन है।
हाँ। रूम्स के चार्जेस वगैरह कैसे
रूम
है?
चार्जेस है डबल बेड का 4,500 इंक्लूडिंग ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, मॉर्निंग टी, इवनिंग टी, स्नैक्स इसमें इंक्लूडेड है।
ओके। ये जगह मतलब तैयार कब हुआ था, मतलब कितने
ये
साल?
2009 से स्टार्ट हुआ है।
अच्छा।
2009 से स्टार्ट हुआ है अभी तक है।
मतलब अभी पब्लिक मतलब आते हैं यहाँ पे काफी?
यहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फॉरेनर भी आता है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, वो इंडियन भी आता है, लेकिन यहाँ 2 साल का जो कोविड हुआ है फॉरेनर आना का बंद हो गया। बाकी जो आता है इंडियन आता है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोलकाता से 60% आदमी आता है।
60% फ्रॉम कोलकाता?
कोलकाता।
हाँ।
बाकी 40% है अदर
स्टेट्स।
उड़ीसा, मुंबई,
अच्छा।
गुजराती, साउथ ईस्ट में वो सब आता है।
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू।
Tours to Bhitarkanika is also provided by Mr. Deepen Bashak. His contact number is given here. He conducts tour of 3 days 2 nights of per person 7,100 rupees including meals and all transportation cost and sightseeing. You can contact him and book your tour for sure. This resort also provides campfire during evenings, but due to the heavy rainfall, our campfire was cancelled. They have good organic gardens in the resort. And this was the cottage which I got.
So this is my room, which one I got. Oh, it's pretty good and large, sufficient, clean as well. You can see that it's nice. And let me show the bathroom. And the bathrooms clean, well equipped. Right. So it's raining a lot outside, But we are going to Pentha Beach today. We are not cancelling the plan, and I am very happy to see the Pentha Beach. All our clothes have got wet, and we had our breakfast. We turned on the fan and let our clothes dry like this. Till then we'll visit Pentha Beach and come back. By that time, everything will get settled down. So let's go. So Pentha Beach is 58 kilometers far from here. It will take around 1.5 hours, I guess, in the car. You should definitely wear half pants if you wish to visit the Pentha Beach. So I'm just ripping it off. It's very unwiseful to wear full pants in a beach. Let's it go. I'll let you see the scenery outside. So much rain. Horrible weather. I'll let you see the scenery outside. So much rain. Horrible weather. And it's very unfortunate of me. I don't know why. Whenever I wish to visit Orissa, every time cyclonic rainfall occurs. And it may be a coincidence, but it always happens with me.
So finally we started towards Pentha at about 11:30 am.
So we have reached Pentha beach. Oh, after such a long time I am visiting a beach. I'm right now at Pentha beach.
Life is a beautiful journey that is meant to be embraced to the fullest every day. However, that doesn't mean you always wake up ready to seize the day, and sometimes need a reminder that life is a great gift. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. So, purpose of life is not to live. You should live a life of purpose. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma. Money and success don't change people, they merely amplify what is already there. We are spirits living in a shell called body. Our body sees with eyes, our mind sees with understanding, but our spirit sees with vision. The vision that God has planned for each and every individual. Everyone has their own journey to complete. You are unique in your own way. You are special in your own way. So have faith in your vision and walk on your own journey fearless. You have to complete your journey alone. Live your life how your soul wants, not how other people wants. People only talk about those who have something in them to talk about. So be unbothered. You are born to be authentic, not to please everyone. Be like the nature, carelessly beautiful, doing its own thing without bothering people's activities. Break yourself, rectify yourself, improve yourself, and mark your own signature. Because no one in this world can understand you more than your own self.
So today is the end of our journey, and stay tuned for the part 2 because tomorrow we are going to meet the crocodiles. Bye bye.